Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Cash App in your iPhone if it is not showing or not available in App Store. So guys, you can easily download your Cash App. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to open your App Store and you need to open your main profile icon. Here is the option of Apple ID and you can open your Apple ID name. So guys, now you need to wait for some seconds. So as you will see here, from here you can see country and region option. You have to click on this, and after this you need to wait for some seconds. Here is the option change country or region, and now guys, from here you need to select United States. Click on it, and after this you need to click on agree with terms and conditions, and now you have to wait. So guys, as you can see, if you want to add your debit or credit card or PayPal, you can select one, and guys, if not, you have to select none option, and here you need to enter any billing address. So for example, I have selected this one, and here you need to enter your zip code. You can enter here any phone number. So guys, after this you have to click on next, and now you need to wait. As you will see, now your country and region has been changed in App Store. So guys, now you can search Cash App. So you have to wait, and here you will see Cash App. Simply you have to download easily your app in your App Store. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.